Hi class, this is Mike Nolan and this is my week 2 multimedia discussion board post. And the position that you're going to be interviewing for, that would be interviewed for, is a police officer position with the city of Santa Ana. So the question is going to be, what can you tell me about the city of Santa Ana? And many civil servant jobs where you're working for a city, in addition to what you know about the department that you're going to be working for, one of the questions that come up and is asked is, what do you actually know about the city that you intend to work in, not just the organization within the city that you intend to work for? So the first one is the wrong answer. This is the candidate that shows up to the interview and they decide they're going to wing it. So the wrong answer for a question like, what do you know about the city of Santa Ana, is your typical wing it answer. It's a up-and-coming city that's business friendly. They're on the move. They really support their department, whatever it is that you're going for. This would be the police officer position, so they really support their police. And just rambling of a bunch of nonsense that's not really job specific or answering the question as to what you actually know about it besides complimentary things and reference to the city. Okay, so now that we went over the wrong answer, a mediocre answer for something like, what do you know about the city of Santa Ana when applying for a police officer position, would be something that you still have a basis of knowledge, that you've done some homework, but maybe you could have done a little bit more homework. Something that would be a mediocre answer would be, the city of Santa Ana is approximately 27.6 square miles, operates as a city council mayor form of government, that there's 6 independent wards represented by each council member within the city of Santa Ana, and the city operates under a municipal police department in conjunction with a county fire authority. Also, in the city of Santa Ana is the county seat for Orange County. All good information, lots of information there, much more than the wrong answer, but mediocre in the fact that you didn't elaborate and kind of tie it all. And there's probably a little bit more when you're going to be working for the city that you would want to know, aside from just the basic facts on the style of government and demographics on the city. And here's what I would consider an outstanding answer for a police officer applicant when asked what do they know about the city of Santa Ana, which would be the city that they're intending to work in. The answer would probably go something like, the city of Santa Ana is approximately 27.6 square miles, with a resident population of 324,000 approximately. The median age within the city of Santa Ana is approximately 31 years of age. The median demographic is approximately 79% Hispanic, with a median household income of approximately $57,000. The form of government is a mayor-city council government. The mayor of the city of Santa Ana is Miguel Polito, and he is accompanied by 6 council members, each representing wards 1 through 6. The city has a municipal police department that is headed by Chief David Valentine and supplemented by Deputy Chief Eric Paulson. And lastly, the Orange County District Attorney is Todd Spitzer, who is responsible for overseeing all criminal prosecution within the city of Santa Ana and Orange County. So there you go. There's an examples of wrong, mediocre, and what I would consider to be an outstanding answer when responding to an interview question for a police officer position within the city of Santa Ana when asked, what do you know about the city of Santa Ana? Thank you guys for taking the time to watch this, and I look forward to watching your videos.